The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for
The following message is being transmitted at the request of Fort Worth Emergency Management. The City of Fort Worth has amended the current declaration to slow the spread of COVID-19. Effective at 11:59 p.m. today, Tuesday, March 24th, a stay-at-home, work-safe order will be in place. A stay-at-home, work-safe order means to stay home. Leave your residence only to do the following: get food, care for a relative or friend, get necessary health care, or go to an essential job. All public or private gatherings of any number of people occurring outside a single household or living unit are prohibited, except as otherwise provided herein. Nothing in this declaration prohibits the gathering of a household or living unit. You can go outside, but don't gather in a group. Keep the 6 feet social distancing requirements if you approach them on a walk. Vulnerable populations such as older adults or those with serious chronic medical conditions must stay home. This is mandatory and critical to protect our loved ones and neighbors. Restaurants will remain open for delivery and takeout only. Grocery stores and other essential businesses will remain open. Y'all stay home. Flattening the curve is our responsibility. For more information, please see http://fortworthtexas.gov/COVID-19/.
Wow, so fun!
Can funny be learned? Well, 6 contestants are about to find out.
Welcome.